Take a ride in the 2016 Ford F-150. A Ford F-150 knows how to handle any situation. It's built to follow orders, no whining. This vehicle has less than 40,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: traction control, navigation system, power passenger seat, dual airbags, power steering, four-wheel disc brakes, voice-activated navigation system, universal garage door opener, CD player, compass, electronic stability control, fog lights, heated steering wheel, heated front seats, trip computer, rear window defroster, security system, power windows, panic alarm. Come see the car for yourself.